Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G06 Power, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option which is called battery. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so battery percentage, which is in my case turned off. So to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the percentage next to the battery icon, and this is the only way to show the battery percentage. I mean, for example, you cannot show it inside the battery. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.